Check out this Dodge 2019 Challenger SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include tires, 235/55 R18AS Performance, STD, wheels, 18-inch x 7.5 inches cast aluminum, STD, black houndstooth cloth sport seats, plum crazy pearl coat, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 50, included, auto stick automatic transmission tip start auto leather wrapped shift knob, Sirius XM satellite radio included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 800-643-2112, quick order package 2 EASXT rear wheel drive included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT transmission 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 50, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVVT, ST